On a beach, 50 people are wearing sunglasses and 35 people are wearing caps. Some people are wearing both. If one of the people wearing a cap is selected at random, the probability that this person is also wearing sunglasses is 2/5. If instead someone wearing sunglasses is selected at random, what is the probability that this person is also wearing a cap? The choices are 14/85, 7/25, 2/5, 4/7, and 7/10. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's first find how many people are wearing both. We are told that if we pick a cap wearer at random, the chance they also wear sunglasses is 2/5. There are 35 cap wearers, so the number wearing both is 2/5 of 35. That is 2/5 times 35, which equals 14. So 14 people are wearing both a cap and sunglasses. Now we switch to the sunglasses group. There are 50 people wearing sunglasses, and 14 of them also wear a cap. So if we pick a sunglasses wearer at random, the probability that they also wear a cap is 14 out of 50. 14 over 50 simplifies to 7 over 25. So the probability is 7/25, which is choice B.